when I was traveling to my work this morning, listened to my playlist, and the song "We Are the World" came. I was walking in the rain, and then suddenly I started to cry. And then I remember this song was written and performed 1985. Next year it will be 40 years since all these famous singers start to help Ethiopian who were hunger and made this amazing song with a powerful message to the world. I want to have a shout out to the world today. What is happening everywhere? All this greedy people who control the world, who make war all over, and terrible terrorists and abusing and murdering, and also all the way here to the small island who's Iceland. We are not 1 million. We are nearly 500,000 public here. We need to do something about this. We need to start in our heart. I have this ring of solution, lausnarhringur, that children in preschool, they ask for peace out in the world, and they want people to control themselves and share love and do nice things to each other. Can you please help me? Can you start in your heart, spread out love instead of hate, and speak up loud and be nice to each other. Stop this abusing. And it doesn't matter who you are, we all can do this. And though you are famous, though you have lots of money, you can't buy love. You need to start with your heart. Money are good things, but use them for good things. I trust you to spread out my English message this morning, and I'm not used to speak English, so I thank you for listening and help me. I hope you have a wonderful day, wherever you are.